Hello guys, my name is Shafiq Ahmad Khan. Today we are going to discuss about heart surgery like bypass, CABG and valve replacement with latest and advanced technology without opening the middle line chest. And these procedures and surgeries can be done through smaller and a smaller incision, and even keyhole surgery is also doing only in 3 inches of incision. And right now with me Dr. Amit Chaudhary. He is cardiac surgeon and director of cardiac department in Asian Hospital, Faridabad, Delhi NCR, and going to describe each and everything in detail.
Hello viewers, this is Dr. Amit Chaudhary. Greetings from my side from India. I'm basically a cardiac surgeon working at Delhi and NCR. Currently, I'm based at Asian Hospital, Faridabad. Our area of work is basically cardiac surgery, thoracic surgery, vascular procedures, and also we do all sorts of trauma. Conventionally, cardiac surgery has been very brutal in the sense of its incision and approaches, or have always been very uncosmetic. Usually, what surgeons do is they open the midline chest, which cosmetically doesn't look very nice. Lately, with advancement in the technology, what we have been doing is we have been turning more and more towards minimally invasive cardiac surgery, and practically all the procedures being done in cardiac surgery now are possible through smaller and smaller incisions. In fact, keyhole incision surgeries are also possible nowadays with the different techniques of going on to bypass from the arteries and veins of the legs. And especially when we want to do CABG, which is done for coronary artery disease, we use left side of the chest, and about 2.5 to 3 inches of incision is sufficient to bypass practically all the arteries. And if we need to replace the valve, there are two major valve replacements normally people require. These are mitral valve replacement. Mitral valve replacement can be very easily done through a very small incision on the right side of the chest, just below the nipple. And in females, it's cosmetically very acceptable. Recovery is very good. And in fact, in 4-5 days, patient goes home. And if we have to replace the other valve, which is called aortic valve, it can be done through the anterior part of the chest and around 2 centimeter of incision. And in all these minimally invasive cardiac surgeries, or MICS normally we call it, the infection rate is low, requirement of blood is very less, stay in the hospital is very short, and post-op recovery is very fast. In fact, from the day of discharge from the hospital, it's about 2 weeks maximum what people have to take for rehabilitation, and they can go back to their work. Apart from that, we have the latest technology which is available, that's called keyhole surgery. A little expensive nowadays, but in coming years it is expected to become very cost effective. So here what we do is all the techniques of bypass can be done through the leg veins and arteries, and practically incision has been brought down to the size of the valve, actual valve, because that is the smallest size what you have to make incision, because you have to in fact anyways put down the valve into the heart. So I think there are a lot of things to offer to all the patients around the globe, and we expertise in this technique and technology. So we will welcome you all here in India in this center, and our travels and tourism, medical tourism partner, Mr. Shafiq and Salman, and they will take care of you hand in hand to us, and back from us to your hometown or home country, wherever you come from. So we deliver you services in your best interest. Thank you.